Hi guys, today in this video I will create this website header section using HTML and CSS that you can see on my computer screen. So let's start this video. Here I have this folder, and in this folder I have one index.html file and one style.css file. Then I have one logo, one menu icon and one image for the background. Now I will open my text editor, which is brackets editor. So this is the HTML file. I have written basic HTML structures. And this one is the CSS file. I have added margin padding and font family. In the HTML file, I have added this link tag to connect the HTML file with the CSS file. Next, we will come to the body tag, and here we will create one div with the class name container. Now I'll copy this class name container, use this class name in the CSS file. For this one, we will set height and width. Then we will add background image and URL and the image file name. It is background.png. Then we'll add background size and background position and position relative. After adding this, come to the folder and open this HTML file with Google Chrome. Now you can see one image on complete web page. Let's come back in the HTML file, and here we will create another div with the class name content, and in this one we will add one image. So I am using img tag, and the file name is logo.png and one class name which is logo. After that, you can see this logo on the web page. Just come back and copy this class name content, write it here in the CSS file. For this one we will set the width and margin auto. After that, refresh the web page and you can see some space from the left side. Just come back and copy this content again, then write .logo. For this logo we will add width and we will add margin from the top. Now you can see a small logo and some space from the top. Let's come back in the HTML file, and after this logo we will add one HR, so it will add one horizontal line you can see on the web page. Let's come back and copy this content again in the CSS file and then write HR. For this one we will add border none, height 6 pixel and maximum width it will 280 pixel, margin top 8 pixel, and here we will add background, this color code. Now you can see a small line below this logo. After that, just come back in the HTML file, add one text in the h1 tag. So this is the title. You can see this text on the web page which is very small. So just come back and copy this content again, then write h1. For this title we will increase the font size. Then I will add font weight and color. Margin from the top and margin from the bottom. Then letter spacing 4 pixel. After that, you can see it is big. Next we will add one BR to change the line. So this text will come in two lines like this. Next we have to reduce the line height. So here I am adding line height 160 pixel. Now it looks good. After that we will add some small text. So just come back in the HTML file, write p tag, and here's the text. Subscribe Easy Tutorials YouTube channel to watch more videos on web development and UI design. Press the bell icon for update. So this is the small text. You can see this text on the web page. Let's come back to the CSS, write content, then p. For this p tag we will set maximum width, then color and letter spacing. Then we will add line height 20 pixel and font size will be small, which is 14 pixel. Now it looks good. It is coming in 3 lines. Let's come back, and after that we'll add one button. So here I am adding one anchor tag and one class name which is btn, and the link text is watch trailer. So you can see this link on the web page. Next we have to design this. So just copy this btn, write it here. Before that I'll write content.btn. Here we will add text decoration none, then border of 1 pixel solid and white color, then color it will be white, and letter spacing 1 pixel. Let's add some padding from the top and bottom and left and right, then border radius, and display it will be inline block, margin from the top. Now you can see this button looks good. Next we have to add hover effect on this button. So just come back, copy this one, then write hover. Here we will add different background color. So write background and this color code. Then border color, it will be this color code. And color black. Then transition 0.5 seconds. After that you can see when I take cursor over this button, the color is changing. Next we will add one more button. So just come back to the HTML file, duplicate this line and change the button text. So it will be view more. You can see two buttons. Next we have to move the second button on the right side. So just come back and in this one we will add one more class name which is btn2. Copy this class name, come to the CSS file, write it here, and for this one just write float right. After that you can see the second button on the right side and the same hover effect. Next we will add one sidebar in the web page. So just come back. After this content div, we will add another div with the class name sidebar. Let's copy this sidebar class name, write it here in the CSS file. For this one, we need to set width, it will be 30%, max width 550 pixel, height 100% and background, this one RGBA 000 0.8. The background color opacity will be 80%. Position absolute, top 0, left 0. It is coming very small here. Let me check. Here we will add %. So it is 30%. Now you can see it is over the text. So we have to add the Z index. So just come back and here we will add Z index 1 and let's come to the top and here in the content we will add position relative and Z index 2. Now you can see these text and logo are visible clearly and the sidebar div is behind the text. Next we have to add the blur effect in this sidebar. So just come back and in this sidebar we will add backdrop filter, blur 6 pixel. Save these changes and now you can see the image behind this sidebar looks blurred. After that we will add one menu icon on the top right corner. So just come back in the HTML file and here after this container div we will add img. Source it will be menu.png and one class name which is menu. Right now you can see this icon behind this sidebar which is blur. So just come back and write this class name here menu. For this one we will set width and position absolute, right 0 and top 0. Cursor will be pointer. Now you can see this menu icon on the top right corner. So this is how we have completed this website header section design using HTML and CSS. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question about this video, you can ask me in the comment section and please like and share this video and also subscribe Easy Tutorials YouTube channel to watch more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video.